SEC sets July deadline for Solana ETF refilings, clearing path for pre-October approval. The first final deadline for a spot Solana exchange-traded fund is October 10th, but the Securities and Exchange Commission is under pressure to keep the approval process moving smoothly, sources say. The road to a spot Solana SOL $149.57 exchange-traded fund ETF could be much shorter than expected. The Securities and Exchange Commission asked prospective issuers to respond to comments and refile amended S-1 documents before the end of July. Two people familiar with the matter told CoinDesk. Technically, the SEC has until October 10th to approve or deny such a fund, but it seems want to accelerate the process and approve one or more of the funds way ahead of that deadline, one of the individuals said. The reason could be the recent approval of the REX-Osprey SOL and staking ETF SSK, which the Commission had no choice but to greenlight as it falls under the Investment Company Act of 1940 and therefore received automatic approval unless stopped by the SEC. SSK started trading last week, becoming the first Solana staking fund on the market, giving it a first-mover advantage over the potential remaining Solana ETFs. This is something that the SEC has previously attempted to prevent, which is why it approved several spot Ether ETH $2, 526.33 and Bitcoin BTC $107, 851.47 ETFs at the same time. I think that the SEC has some pressure to approve these quicker than waiting all the way to October, especially with that REX shares product that got approved last week. One person familiar with the matter said. In June, the Commission asked issuers to amend their S-1 filings for their requested Solana ETFs and to include language for in-kind redemption and creations as well as staking, which was the first official communication from the SEC regarding those potential products. The spot Solana ETFs would be the third kind of spot crypto funds on the U.S. market after the approval of the spot Ether and Bitcoin funds. Other outstanding applications include funds tracking the price of XRP $2.2952, Dogecoin Doge $0.1667 and Litecoin LTC $85.35, among others. Helene is a New York-based markets reporter at CoinDesk, covering the latest news from Wall Street, the rise of the spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds and updates on crypto markets. She is a graduate of New York University's Business and Economic Reporting program and has appeared on CBS News, Yahoo Finance, and NASDAQ Trade Talks. She holds BTC and ETH.